Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one advice with you, because if you make that mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger D generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you guys need to find where fuses and relays for the purge control valve are located. Now, if you have problems code related to purge control valve, always check these fuses. Sometimes a bad valve can burn a fuse as well. Also, if you need to buy replacement parts or tools at a good price, we'll share the information in the video, that way you do not waste money and time. Let's start on it now. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do almost anything. How to fix engines, transmissions, electrical components, codes, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Why we guys do it? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And if you want guys, please check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. For the purge control valve, fuses and relays, what you can expect to find. And by the way guys, for any of you that want to see how to test purge control valve on a car, we have many videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you guys how to do that step by step. Here, what do we need to do now? You see that guys right here, a Dodge Charger that we'll demonstrate on that generation. We need to first open the hood. When you open the hood, you may have a V6 or V8 engine, it doesn't matter. Facing the engine on the left side, that's the passenger side, you have a fuse box. Press the two tabs together, pull the cover out. Underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So for the purge control valve guys, if we zoom in a little bit now, for that specific thing there is very limited information about fuses, but in that case you will need to check all your engine management fuses and relays. Most likely one of those will be for the purge control valve and the evap system. You need to come in that row of fuses, and here first fuse you need to check is fuse 31 right there. Then you need to check fuse 34, 35, 37 guys. Right there. Next, check relay 63. After that you need to open the trunk on your Dodge Charger and you need to lift the carpet liner up. Underneath you have the spare tire, and that's a car battery. Behind it you have a fuse box right here. This is actually, if we get a closer look, that's what it looks like. Press the tabs together, remove that cover, and you have that layout here. Specifically here we need to check that relay 29, and some of you may have another relay which is known as relay number 14 right there. Those are the most common things we check on Dodge Charger with that problem. So this guy's Dodge Charger has all kinds of different fuses and relays, different sizes, and those guys, okay, could be really hard to find, especially if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement, we couldn't get one, we were stuck because we had to wait a few days to get a shipment. So we recommend to buy some spare fuses, relays, put guys some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time guys. Thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.